Hello, it's me again for an update. So I wanted to show you, so here I run the launch file with the Rviz. Nothing very specific. I used Google AI Studio Gemini 2.5 Pro, I think, to help me with that. It was a pleasure to work with. So I have the server running, which is displaying this. And I created a node, this one, which is listening, so I can, no, it's not this one. I hate when I have multiple and they all look similar. So this one, my controller node, I will rename everything later. So my controller node is listening to this. This is connected to ROS, and as soon as I click on a button, it will trigger to publish to a topic, a message to a topic, and the topic will do something. So let's show you. So to move this. So if I move this end effector, we can see that it's changing here. I will then save current position. It will add it to the list. Then maybe I can try another one. Save current position, and then now. So this is ready, it's listening, and I think we are all set. So the robot is still here. So now it should come here, then go back to this position. Maybe let's add the third one. No, I cannot go back. Anyways, I will just leave it here. You see, it did both, and it works. So one thing I need to do, one of the next things I need to do is that if you look closer, you will see, I moved it. Right, let me show you. I want to, let's save current position, let's publish saved list, so the first one, and then the third one. And you can, if you look closer, you can see that the end effector is matching the requested end effector, but it's not the case of the joints. So if I do this and plan and execute, you can see that the joints are being followed. So that's one thing I need to fix. I need to update. Anyways, I'm very happy with where things are.